The duck and the cat. One rainy day, Duck walked happily to the juice store to buy some orange juice. After paying for the juice, Duck sipped it while walking home. On the way, Duck saw a cat sitting by the side of the road. The cat looked very tired and thirsty. Duck felt sorry for the cat. Without thinking twice, Duck offered the orange juice to the cat. The cat gratefully accepted and drank the juice. After that, they smiled at each other and became friends. Duck and cat walked home together side by side.